We are live from the India AI Impact Summit, the maiden AI summit of our country, and we are sitting with a very special guest. We are with Ajay Singh Jawat. Welcome to our podcast here today, and we are actually talking to him about his product Bhashini. Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you. Thank you for being here.
So, first and foremost, we wanted to understand how are you feeling today? You know, it's the first maiden summit, it's the AI summit, Government of India. How do you feel to be here?
It's the first time in India, so many great AI minds, startups, and the companies that came here together under one roof and showcasing their actual Shakti Pradarshit, what they're doing in AI. So I think it's one of a lifetime moment where we all have came together under one roof and exploring what the best possibility with AI can be done.
Absolutely. Now, we know Bhashini really well, but our viewers would like to understand because you are here with a stellar booth, by the way. I suggest all of you do come here. If you can tell us about the product for a regular viewer.
Yeah, so in a layman, Bhashini is one of the biggest AI use case in the global south, and here we are presenting how these use cases are being scaled on a level where the last mile is getting impacted. So we designed the entire pavilion in terms of like how we are collecting data, how these inventory of 350 plus AI models are quoted on a platform called NHIT, and how this 5 billion number of the inferencings where our AI models were used. We are showcasing the complete science behind Bhashini, how models are built, how it's getting inferenced. And on the half of the side, we are showcasing the use cases, how these use cases are impacting the last mile. You will be able to see a police Sahay mobile application in which online FIR is being generated. There are startups who are working on the sign assisted technologies. There is a hardware setup for Vani Anuvad, in which speech to speech is getting demonstrated. Chitra Anuvad, Vani Anuvad is a plenty and bucket of solutions that are actually accessing the Bhashini APIs are being demonstrated at full scale.
Now, that is a very interesting answer. And as you can understand from his answers itself, the demo booths here are very interesting. But I wanted to understand about the future. Now, I know you're a very busy man, so I won't hold you longer, but this is a very important question, perhaps the last question for today. How do you see your product helping in India's journey for the future in terms of AI?
Right. So, focusing on that, language is the basic component for any product or services you are servicing to the any industry, be it healthcare, automobile, pharmaceutical, legal, judiciary, governance. So, Bhashini becomes an integral component here because without language and the technologies known as automatic speech recognition, neural machine translation, text to speech, audio language detection, these are the component and a bouquet of services that Marshall offers. So in future, these technologies are going to be updated in terms of we will be adding more language. Still, we are again right now in 36 languages. We will be adding more tribal languages, more dialects. There's a lot of work that needs to be done in the future. So that will be the roadmap.
Absolutely. So, guys, that was the team, and that was the senior manager of Bhashini talking to us about his product. Stay tuned for more AI Impact Summit content on Economic Times. Thank you so much for having me on.